Hey everyone, this is JR Scar, or Oscar as my real name is. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to repair a ripped garden hose. I bought this sleeve from a local hardware store, Ace Hardware to be exact. But you can get it at any stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Murdoch's, wherever you have hardware stores near you. But anyways, in this scene right here, I am cutting the damaged part with a knife, but it didn't work, so I had to get some industrial scissors. So here I am ripping one side apart, and then the little yellow device in the bottom there, the sleeve, is a Nielsen brand, and it is 1/2 inch both sides. So what you would do, here I am tossing that old damaged part out of the way. So I'm gonna rip this, cut it at one end, and then the other if necessary. But I forgot to do this, so I went ahead and grabbed the screwdriver. So big mistake on my part there. But after you get it all torn apart, you loosen up the screws. You put it on one end of the garden hose itself. Then you put that black inner tube inside the garden hose itself. You tighten it up on one side first, and you do the same as the other part with the yellow sleeve over the garden hose, and you put it together and you tighten it up, and that should solve the problem of not buying another very expensive garden hose. Because nowadays, I don't know if you could get one underneath $30, but this was a Craftsman one. However, Craftsman hasn't made any good garden hose in a while. So a quick story. Um, this warranty on this garden hose is only good for 5 years. It might be 7 years, but before that, I think prior before 2014, they were limited lifetime warranty, and I made a mistake of not keeping my receipts. So now I got to repair it just like anything else. One doesn't want to buy something new. And this sleeve, this Nielsen 1/2 inch sleeve, only cost me like $4 or $5. So compared to, $40-$50 garden hose, and it's a 100 footer. So yeah, this is a better route to go to. It's pretty easy. I think anybody could do it. Um, it's pretty simple. You don't have to get any measuring and whatnot. You just need a utility knife, maybe some scissors like how I did, make it easier, screwdriver, and just a will to not have a ripped garden hose and all the water going everywhere elsewhere and floating something else to the sidewalk or something. And that replaces or reduces the water pressure onto um, you know where it needs to go instead of somewhere else as ripped here. So I'm not gonna lie, guys. I ran this over with my tractor lawnmower, so kind of paying the ultimate cost of replacing this. Only took maybe like 10 minutes total to get all the tools ready, and obviously they made a little video for some of you guys out there to replace your ripped garden hose or whatnot. So um, if you see this video, good for you. It's quick, easy. Anybody can do it yourself, or maybe you're a rental. You kind of made a mistake. Oops, landlord's gonna be mad at me, or somebody else is gonna be really upset. So, and they do make these in metal. The repair uh, salesman, well, actually, it's just a salesman. He told me that plastic is just as good as the other ones. So, and he hasn't had any returns or it's too flimsy or whatnot. So, but anyways, here I am assembling both of the screwdrivers onto the garden hose, and so far it's looking good. I went ahead and turned it on from the faucet, and it ran really well. And obviously I've been watering for a while, and it ran really, really swell, really, really good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys give me a like and subscribe, that'd be so awesome. And I appreciate some of you guys that are still here. I'm just starting this channel, but this is my main hobby for now. So thank you a lot, guys. Bye.